Okay, for this next section on our projecting trajectories lab, we are dealing with the vertical motion. So we have negative 9.8 meters per second squared, which will be our acceleration due to gravity. We don't use negative 10. Our vertical velocity is 0, since we're assuming that the ball does not start moving vertically until it leaves the table, and so prior to that it has a 0 velocity. dy will be the height of the table, and time is what we need to determine. We won't use a stopwatch since that will be too difficult to time that short interval. So instead we will use VIVIF-DET number 3. We are ignoring final velocity. So VIVIF-DET number 3 is our go-to. So basically everyone, if you're dropping it from the same height, will have the same time in the air. Here's our XY graph, just what we talked about. Once we get that time, the time is the same horizontally as well as vertically, which we saw from bullet fired, bullet dropped. And we have, in order to determine that displacement, which is our ultimate goal, we take part 1, our horizontal velocity, what we calculated at the very beginning of this lab, times the time. What we are going to do then is set it up again, line up our sheet of paper, our target, with carbon paper over it, and we are lining up whatever that dx is, horizontal displacement, from the plumb bob to the line. And so whatever that amount is, whatever that distance is, that's how we place it with the carbon paper as shown. And go ahead and place the tape on it, and then we will come up here and roll the ball from the same height as we previously did. And go ahead, and that should be it.